Paying for gas is a drag. Here's how you can save with an e-bike. We all hate paying for gas, especially at $5 a gallon. It was over 110 gallons to fill my truck yesterday. But did you know that you can save a ton with an electric bike? Let's break it down. Most e-bike models with similar components get close to the same range. So let's use our GT model as an example. It has a high-quality Samsung 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery. At 15 miles an hour, it gets 50 to 60 miles conservatively on a charge. You multiply 48 volts times 20 amp-hour to get 960 watt-hours. That's almost 1,000 watt-hours. SoCal Edison charges 34 cents for 1,000 watt-hours of power, so that's 34 cents to go 50 miles. 34 cents divided by 50 miles is 0.68 cents a mile. 100 pennies in a dollar divided by 0.68 gives you 147. So for $1, you can go 147 miles on an e-bike, and it doesn't put out smog. So you should ride an e-bike. Follow for more.